Succeeding on YouTube requires strategy, consistency, and creativity. Here are 10 proven tips to help you thrive on the platform. Focus on a specific topic or audience. Choose something you're passionate about and that has demand. A clear niche makes it easier to attract a loyal audience. Invest in good visuals and clear audio. Even simple videos can stand out if they are visually appealing and provide value to viewers. The first 10 seconds of your video are critical. Start with a question, bold statement, or captivating visuals to grab attention right away. Set a schedule and stick to it. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and help the algorithm recognize your channel. Make your titles catchy and your thumbnails visually striking. These are the first things viewers see. Ensure they're irresistible. Use keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to make your videos searchable. Research trending topics to align your content. Reply to comments, ask questions, and encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe. Building a connection fosters loyalty. Use YouTube analytics to track performance. Look at what's working, such as viewer retention and click-through rates. Partner with other creators in your niche to expand your reach. Collaborations expose your channel to a broader audience. Growth takes time. Be open to experimenting with new ideas and don't get discouraged by slow progress. Success is a long-term game.